welcome to week 8 spelling. This week you are going to be focusing on 2 different spelling rules. You are firstly going to be focusing on the trigraph QUE, which makes the K sound as in antique, and also the graph K, which also makes the sound K as in kitten. Although these are 2 different graphs and trigraphs, they are both making the same sound K. Okay, let's start with the first word. This first word is plaque. Please say plaque. Plaque has 2 meanings. The first meaning is that it's the sticky deposit on your teeth which is caused by bacteria. A plaque is also an ornament that is typically made of metal or porcelain, which is used to commemorate a person or event. When you do really well at sport at our school, you may be rewarded with a plaque that has your name on it. Okay, let's look at the sounds that we can hear in the word plaque. We can hear P, L, A, K. We can see that the trigraph, QUE, is making the K sound in the word plaque. Remember, a trigraph is 3 letters that makes one sound. The letters in plaque are P, L, A, Q, U, E. P, L, A, Q, U, E. What part of the word plaque do you think that we need to remember? If you said the trigraph QUE, you would be correct. Remember to use the correct terminology. We are not just remembering the letters QUE, we are actually remembering that QUE together make a trigraph because they are making one sound, which is K. So we are remembering the trigraph QUE, which makes the K sound in plaque. Okay, pause the video and have a turn at spelling the word without looking at it. The next word is mosque. Say mosque. A mosque is a place of worship for Muslims of the Islamic religion. Let's look at the sounds that we can hear in the word mosque. We can hear o, s, k. Again, we can see that in the word mosque, the trigraph QUE is making the K sound. The letters are M, O, S, Q, U, E. M, O, S, Q, U, E. If we say the word mosque, we can hear that O, S, K. What part of the word mosque do you think we need to remember? If you said the trigraph QUE, you would be correct. Remember, use the correct terminology, trigraph. Okay, pause the video and have a turn at spelling the word mosque without looking at it. The next word is physique. Say physique. Physique is the form, size, and development of a person's body. If someone has a good physique, you might be saying that they are rather muscly or that they are lean. Let's look at the sounds that we can hear in the word physique. F, I, S, I, K. F, is, ik, physique. Okay, we can see that in the word physique, the K sound is being made with the trigraph QUE. We can also see that the digraph, which is 2 letters making one sound, PH, is making the F sound. We can also see that physique, the I sound is made with the letter Y, and the E is made with the letter I. This word is a little bit tricky, but if you remember the digraph and the trigraph and these graphs, you'll be able to spell the word physique. The letters are P-H-Y-S-I-Q-U-E. P-H-Y-S-I-Q-U-E. What part of the word physique do you think we need to remember? If you said the trigraph Q-U-E, you would be correct. If you also said the digraph PH, making the F sound, you would also be correct. And you would also be correct if you said the letter or the graph Y, which is making the I sound. Okay, pause the video and have a turn at spelling the word physique without looking at it. The next word is shriek. Say shriek. To shriek means to utter a high-pitched piercing sound or words. If you talk in a really high-pitched voice, someone might say that you are shrieking. Okay, let's look at the sounds that we can hear. Sh, r, e, k. In this word shriek, we can see that we are focusing on our other spelling rule, which is to use the graph K to make the sound K, as in kitten. We can also see that the digraph SH is making the sh sound, and the digraph IE is making the E sound. The letters in shriek are SH, R, IE, K. SH, R, IE, K. What part of the word do you need to remember? If you said the graph K, which makes the K sound, you would be correct. You would also be correct if you said the digraph SH, making the sh sound, and the digraph IE, which is making the E sound. Pause the video and have a turn at spelling the word shriek without looking at it. Now I want you to have a turn at trying to go through our smart spelling process for the next few words, either by yourself or in your partner, or with a partner. The first word we're going to start with is kiosk. As you can see, kiosk is focusing on our second spelling rule, which is to use the graph K to make the sound K. The next word I would like you to have a turn at going through the smart spelling process with either by yourself or with a friend is the word opaque. You can see the word opaque is focusing on our first spelling focus, which is to use the trigraph QUE, which makes the sound K. The next word is ankle. This week, all our spelling focus words are focusing on either the trigraph QUE, which makes the K sound, or the graph K, which also makes the K sound. As there are not a lot of words in the English language that have the QUE trigraph, we have combined it with the graph K, which also makes the K sound. And the words are antique, check, plaque, mosque, opaque, ask, keen, kilo, kiosk, and shriek. Our challenge words are also focusing on either the trigraph or the graph focus, and this is physique, critique, ankle, awaken, and bankruptcy. Though our words in our sight word list do not have the trigraph or the graph focus, and they are group, everything, wouldn't, through, and against. Good luck with your spelling this week, Year 4, and I wish you the best of luck with your spelling test on Friday. Happy spelling!